Dear Mechanic Society, please have a look my future cabinet class Miona in separating. What I can mean tolerance exception slide I was made from seams. Bronze nuts cutting on the lathe from this cut. Tolerance exception made but the springing slot. The screw either cutting on the lathe. Screw and nuts making from this lathe. It working in matrix system. If you wish goes for imperial system, you mustn't change the gear in the banjo. The gear have 127 teeth and seams making in this manner. Thank you for watching and to be continued.